here to show you today, and I'm going to teach you how to use it. So on the marketplace, we have a new tab called Collection Offers. If we could click on that, we can see that we have two offers here from two different people. One is for 290 KDA and one is for 6. So to make an offer, you click Make Collection Offer, and let's put 291, and then you can choose 1 day, 3, 7, or 15 days. So we'll choose 15, and we'll click Offer. Click Sign, and then you'll click Confirm in X Wallet. So this will give you a preview of what's going to happen when you click Send to Blockchain. You're going to send 291 KDA to the contract, and this will tell you when it expires. It gives you the ID. That's not important for you guys, but if you want to remove your offer, you can at any time, and if you expire, you have to come back to the website and collect your KDA. So we can click Send to Blockchain, and then that will send it to the blockchain, and we'll wait on that. And I'll show you some other things while we're waiting. So you can see these are already placed offers. So if you want to sell your miner, you can click Sell Miner, and it'll bring you to your inventory page here. I'll sell 29.59 for 6 KDA. Sorry, for 290 KDA, because that's the highest offer. If we go back to Collection Offers, it's always going to choose the highest. So we can go 290, Sell Miner, and we'll sell it immediately for 290 KDA. So we're going to click Confirm in X Wallet, and this will show you what's going to happen. So 29.59 has been transferred to my wallet, and 290 KDA has been sent to my wallet because I made that offer. So in most cases, this will not be your own wallet. So I won't click Send to Blockchain here because I don't want to buy my own miner, but that's what happens. And just so you're aware, anytime that this is a quality of life update as well, anytime that you want to do any kind of transaction on our website, you can see that there will be a preview on the page. So this preview is going to tell you what is expected to happen if you click Send to Blockchain. So make sure you click Send to Blockchain, otherwise it won't happen. Nothing will happen. One case that can differ is if two people submit a transaction at the same time for the same NFT, then there might be some conflicts, and whoever has the luck will get the transaction to go through. So let's check out our Block Explorer here. We've got a 291 KDA offer, and we can go to the marketplace to see our collection offers. And you can see I have 291 and 290 KDA now. If you want to remove your offer, you just go to your inventory and then go to Offers. And you can see the offers that you personally have made. So you would just click Cancel Offer, Sign, and then Confirm in X Wallet, and you can see KDA has been returned to your wallet successfully. So I'll go ahead and do that. But that is the new feature that we just released, and you can expect another new feature with NFT specific offers coming pretty soon. Have a nice day.